What's up, and welcome back to Vibe with Thee. We are now vibing. Today we're gonna get down on some Peruvian ceviche. Start off with some fresh fish, then we're gonna have some lime citrus dressing, a little bit of spice from an habanero, and it's gonna be bomb. So if you wanna check it out, follow along. So while we're preparing our sweet potato and our corn, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our fish. I'm using tilapia because it doesn't have that fishy taste. So yeah, what I'm doing is I'm just cutting right here. I'm just cutting, the bloodline. I don't necessarily like that. And you definitely, when making ceviche, you want fresh fish. Cutting these in about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, and just doing like a 45-degree angle. Next, for the dressing, want to get our limes nice and juicy. When you use the lime, you don't want to squeeze all the way and get all the bitterness from the end of the lime. So you just want to squeeze once, and that's good. So we got our lime. We're gonna go ahead and throw in our salt in here, and then we're gonna mix it. All right, so you're gonna see the change in the color of the lemon. And now we're gonna throw this in the fridge and let it marinate, so don't skip this step. While we let that marinate, we're gonna start cutting our goods. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 1/2 an onion. We don't want the middle, because that, of course, is bitter as well. And then we're just gonna go ahead and cut these. See how thin we're making these here? Then dice up some of your cilantro. We're gonna go ahead and chop this up. We're gonna add some serrano. Take out the seeds. You could, of course, take out the seeds if you don't want as much spice. The juice is milky, and this is exactly the color that you want. So let's go ahead and mix all of our ingredients together. Throw our onions, cilantro, serrano, chilies. So we're gonna put in some garlic paste. Odales put me on. I never heard of this, and it's amazing. You could find it at any Mexican store. I got it at Vallarta. We're just gonna go ahead and get a little tiny bit. And then crack just a little bit of pepper. Beautiful. We're gonna put this in the fridge for about 5-10 more minutes, and then we're gonna plate. Okay, babies, I'm gonna show you how to plate this, because plating is everything. First, you're gonna need some lettuce. So just go ahead and pop your lettuce down there. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our ceviche. Next is some corn husk. Tradition is you have to keep them on the husk. And then we just plop these in here like that. We just get our sweet potato, and then we plop them on over here. And then to top it off, for some added spice, you just put your habanero. So let's go ahead and get a bite. That corn, some of the sweet potato, onion. Delicious. You get the spice from the serrano but the sweet potato balances it out and you have the freshness of the fish. Bomb. Yeah, this is a must try, little appetizer. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to my channel. We got some dope things coming up. We're gonna launch something pretty big, so make sure you're following, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe, okay? Peace. Next, habanero. Here, I'm just gonna cut these up super small. That's spicy as. We're gonna stick with serranos.